Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to format external hard drives on your macOS Big Sur, so macOS 11. So if you just recently bought a Mac and you want to format in the drive, external drive, I can just show you how to do it on Mac system. So first you want to click on this button, as you can see here where my mouse is pointing. Click on it and you can type disk utility. So after you type this here, click return. In this menu you can see all the hard drive you have. So my internal hard drive I have either partition. So it's separated into 3 sub drives. So the external hard drive we have here is this drive. As you can see here, I had already stored something in this drive. So one thing I have to tell you is, before you formatting the drive, you have to keep everything stored in your drive back up into another drive, or you can just drag them out onto your PC. So after you formatting the drive, you can put all those things you don't want to lose, go back to the drive. But in this case, because those things installed in this drive is not so useful for me and it's already old files, so I decided just go erase those stuff. So before you formatting, you can see this module here got different sections, such as first aid to catch if there's problem with your drive. Partition, this is to divide your drive into different sections. Erase is in macOS, it is used to reformatting, as you can see here. Erase and reformatting the select values. So if you want formatting your drive, click here, erase. In this part you can have the different format. I have APFS stands for Apple File System. It's come out by Apple in 2017. This is a new type of format you can use, but it can only work on an Apple device. So if you want this external hard drive can be used between Windows and Apple device, please don't choose Apple file system because you can't use the Apple file system external hard drive on Windows. macOS Extended is the old file managed type for the macOS. This type you can also only using on the macOS only. You can't use it on other devices such as your mobile phone, Android, or in Windows. The other two types you can choose is Exfat and Fat. So for the normal Fat, you can only store really less amount of data. So if you have an external hard drive of 64 gigabytes, by using the Fat format, you can only store a single file size up to 4 gigabytes. So each of your file must below the 4 gigabytes range. So if you need to store some big video files, such it take about 10 gigabytes RAM, 10 gigabytes storage, or even more, you can't use Fat. So the only option for me to here is doing Exfat. So you can use Exfat format hard drive on both Windows and macOS, even on your Android phones. So just click on Exfat and then just click erase. Okay, now guys, you can see the hard drive has been erased. You got the empty space and the format is in Exfat. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. This is a tutorial of how to formatting in the macOS system.